Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Today we are going to make a OR gate on a breadboard. For this purpose we need the following things. First we need a diode, LEDs, mini buttons, connecting wires, 10K resistance, and a battery and a breadboard. Now we are going to connect the items on the breadboard. First we put two mini buttons, then interconnect it with the help of wire. Then we use two diodes and their P side is connected with the buttons, as you can see. Then on the other hand we use the N side of the diodes and interconnect it with the help of a wire. Then we place a resistance of 10K and connect it with one side of diodes and other side with the LED. This is the positive terminal of the LED and this is the negative terminal of the LED. On here I give power with the battery and connect it with the buttons. Now as you know that in case of OR gate, if any of the input is 1, then output will be 1. Now we can see as I gave one input and the LED is on. Now I am going for the other, again LED is on. Now I am going to on both. As you can see, if I press both buttons or give both inputs, the output will be 1 and the LED is on. Now if I close both gates, the LEDs off. This is the OR gate on the breadboard. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.